Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Zoe Financial Advisor Match Review My Usage Experience. Zoe Financial Advisor Match Review My Usage Experience offers a service that connects users with financial advisors based on their individual needs and preferences. It aims to simplify the process of finding a suitable financial advisor, targeting individuals who may find navigating the world of financial planning overwhelming or time-consuming. Key features likely include a questionnaire to assess financial goals and risk tolerance, and a matching algorithm to suggest appropriate advisors. Their website provides details on their matching process and the types of advisors they work with. Zoe emphasizes a transparent pricing model, though specific details are found on their site. They highlight the convenience of having a curated list of vetted advisors, saving users the time and effort of independent research. The service likely uses a sophisticated algorithm to match users with advisors, similar to dating apps that match users based on compatibility. Availability is nationwide, and you can check eligibility directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Zoe Financial Advisor Match Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. The initial questionnaire was comprehensive but not overly lengthy. It took me about 15 minutes to complete. I appreciated the clear explanations alongside each question. Navigating the interface was intuitive, the design is clean and uncluttered. After submitting my questionnaire, I received a list of 5 potential advisors within a few hours. Their profiles were detailed, including their experience, specialties, and fees. I really appreciated the option to schedule brief introductory calls with a couple of the advisors. The quality of the matches felt surprisingly accurate to my stated preferences and financial goals. I had a quick question about the fee structure, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a very helpful explanation. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I had to access the service through my laptop. I was really impressed by how detailed the advisor profiles were, providing me with the information I needed to make an informed decision. The standout feature for me was definitely the ease and speed with which I could find potential advisors. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Zoe Financial Advisor Match Review. It streamlined a process that I previously found daunting. That's my overview of Zoe Financial Advisor Match Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.